Our top story: hours after the Maharashtra government vowed to crack down hard on those responsible for the violence in Mumbai over the last 2 days, 14 more activists of Raj Thakrae's Maharashtra Navnirman Sena were detained by the police early in the morning today. Well, no details are available yet on who these people were, but the detentions came after more than 25 other MNS supporters had been let off on bail yesterday for targeted violence against people of North Indian origin. Well, these are mainly taxi drivers, milk and vegetable vendors, also Bhojpuri cinema theatres. Well, despite an FIR being registered against Raj Thakre in connection with the violence, no action has yet been taken. This after repeated assurances of strong action by both the Home Minister and Chief Minister. Well, let's now go across to NDTV's Rashmi Rajput, who joins us from outside Raj Thakre's residence. Rashmi, while we do know that these supporters have now been detained, fresh 14 people been detained, what of Raj Thakre himself? What are you really hearing? Is it likely that some sort of action will be taken against him?
The police, yes, last night, had told that they will take stern action against Raj Thakre. FIR has been registered against him, but no arrest or nothing about that. The police has tight-lipped about the entire episode, not saying anything about what kind of action would Raj Thakre, about the arrest vis-a-vis Raj Thakre. We also heard from sources close to him that he might apply for anticipatory bail, but that is just to look out for ahead in the day. The police is not telling anything in connection with Raj Thakre. They are not telling anything whether they would arrest him or whether they'll just call him for questioning, or whether they'll just question these people, the 14 people who have been detained last night in connection with the rioting case is in Dadar on Sunday afternoon, where the mob had ransacked and vandalized and even beaten up people from North Indian origins. These 14 people were detained last night. The police is in the process of recording their statements, and if they're found guilty, they would be arrested in the case. Prachi?
Right, thanks very much, Rashmi Rajput, joining us there from Mumbai. Well,